might as well just wade across. Huh?
Just swim it! Just swim it!
Stole my M4!
Yeah. Will? It's okay. You're looking good though. You're in good form.
Yeah.
This is attempt number 2, ladies and gentlemen. If he can make it past these rocks right here, he'll be okay.
Ooh.
Have a dance off now. All right, Feather.
No pressure. Oh, I smoked the rock in my knee.
Oh my.
Good idea.
Hey, don't put your camera in a bag. You're not gonna fall. Hey, don't worry, the Taliban will wait on you.
Yeah.
Look at him. This ain't platoon, all right?
Go left.
Duck right. Oh, look at that face of concentration. You're good though. You're good. Yeah, power through it. Show that river who's boss.
A little higher.
Oh, you got it. How do you feel after you defeated the river?
I defeated a mountain before this. Look it.